Hi guys, today I want to share with you the Makita LH1201FL tabletop miter saw. The machine is 1650 watt. The blade diameter is 12 inch, which is 305 mm. The miter saw angle can be adjusted to 47 degree to the left and 52 degree to the right, whereas the bevel angle will be 45 degree to the left, which means the miter saw can be beveled to the left only. The max cutting capacity is shown in the photo, or you can check at the description. The RPM is 3800, the net weight is 21 kg, and the power supply cord is 2.5 meter. The standard equipment will be TCT saw blade, vertical vise, dust bag, rib fence, ring, triangular rule, push stick, blade cover, socket wrench and holder set. Turn the machine into miter saw, pull the safety button, unlock two safety level, and the table will be pushed up by the spring. Then pull the pin again and push up the handle. You have to push the safety pin before you push down the machine. To turn the miter saw into table saw, lock the pin, push the safety pin here, and slowly push down the table. You can adjust the table height with the knob beside. Turn the lever clockwise to lock the table. There are two switches here to on the light and the laser guide. Press the lever and turn to the angle you wish to, and then fix the angle by tighten up the knob. The lever here is for you to adjust the bevel angle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if the video helps you.